Hello everyone, my name is Diego Ojeda and I'm here to invite you to my keynote presentation for the 2024 World Language Teacher Summit. During this keynote, I'm going to talk about artificial intelligence. We are all very excited about artificial intelligence and its uses in the world language classroom. But the point of my keynote will be why artificial intelligence will never displace language learning. We're going to talk about how artificial intelligence is a complement, not a replacement in the world language instruction. We're going to talk about the human connection, the importance of human connection in communication. So let's not give up, because we teachers, language teachers, are and will be important. So please take my invitation to my keynote session for the 2024 World Language Teacher Summit on July 22nd at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. See you later.